Welcome to JH. Today, I will show you how to include a logo or image within a Microsoft Forms header. This is an excellent method for customizing your forms and making them more visually striking for respondents. To begin, navigate to the Microsoft Forms website and log into your account. Once you have accessed your dashboard, select the specific form you want to modify. This should be an existing project that you wish to enhance with a custom visual element. With your form open, focus on the header area at the top. Since this is the first thing people see, adding a graphic here creates a strong first impression. Within this header section, look for the Insert Image button, which is marked by a small icon of a picture. Clicking this icon provides several ways to find your visual. You can perform a Bing search, pull files from your OneDrive, or upload a file directly from your local storage. Let's start by looking at the Bing search feature. Pick the Image Search option and type in a relevant keyword for the graphic you need. After entering your search term, press the search button to view the results. Browse through the available pictures and choose the one that aligns with your form's theme. Once you've made your selection, click Add to place it into the header. Alternatively, you can use images saved in your OneDrive. To do this, click the Insert Image icon again and select OneDrive from the list. Navigate through your folders to find your preferred file, then hit Add to insert it. If the image is stored on your computer, choose the Upload option. This will trigger a File Explorer window. Browse your device to find the specific image, select it, and click Open to complete the upload process. That is all there is to it. Your form now features a personalized header, making it look more professional and engaging for your audience. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more useful guides.